Boil a cinnamon with oregano, and when you see its secrets, you will never want to use another recipe. Teas made with medicinal plants help prevent and treat many health problems. It is for that reason that more and more people choose this option when treating any health condition, and oregano tea with cinnamon is one of the favorites on the list as it helps treat and cure some of the most common health conditions. I will also show you the correct way to prepare it. Now we're going to present its benefits to plants with medicinal properties and that provide numerous health benefits. The infusion of cinnamon with oregano. It's rich in vitamin A, carotenoids, as well as inflammatory, expectorant, analgesic, and antioxidant removal because it is rich in fiber. This tea also helps reduce high cholesterol levels and stimulates digestion. Cinnamon tea with oregano helps against sleep problems, stress and fatigue, helps in the treatment of rheumatic and joint disease, relieves discomfort musculoskeletal, relieves sciatica and joint pain. Oregano tea with cinnamon when consumed frequently. It also strengthens the immune system. It has great antioxidant power, that is why it is an excellent remedy to strengthen the immune system and prevent various diseases, and it is good for candidiasis. This infusion is an excellent option to prevent and treat candidiasis, a fungal infection that causes itching in the woman's part. This is because oregano has antifungal and antibacterial properties which help in the treatment, reduce inflammation, and this infusion of oregano with cinnamon also helps reduce inflammation which occurs in the body. This happens due to the snail substances responsible for the aroma and the characteristics flavor of oregano. In addition, it has an anti-inflammatory effect, which helps the body to recover from some chronic illnesses. It fights against viruses and bacteria that cause flu, colds, urinary tract infections due to thymol and carvacrol, and it promotes blood circulation. It is neurogenin, a flavonoid that has antiplatelet properties. This flavor the circulatory system, improving circulation blood. It also stimulates weight loss. Carvacrol can alter the synthesis of fats in the body, as well as having an anti-inflammatory effect which favors weight loss. It relieves the symptoms of premenstrual syndrome thanks to its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties, including symptoms such as inflammation and abdominal cramps. In addition to these benefits already mentioned in this infusion of cinnamon with oregano, you can also find the following. Helps lower blood sugar, reduces the risk of heart disease, prevents neurodegenerative disease, fights against fungi and bacteria, fights bad breath, prevents cavities, is good for the digestive system, helps in the treatment of constipation, controls asthma attack, controls blood pressure, and is good for the heart. Now that you know all these benefits, let us move on to the recipe. Cinnamon tea with oregano. Ingredients: 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 cups of water. Preparation mode: first you must heat the water in a pot until it boils. Then add the cinnamon, oregano, and herb for about 10 minutes. After that time, turn off the heat, cover and infuse until it reaches a lukewarm point. Strain and serve in a cup. If you prefer, you can sweeten it with honey. Always take it in the morning or at night before going to sleep. Consume this daily infusion to take advantage of its many benefits. Important: pregnant women should not consume this tea as it can complicate pregnancy. See you later. God bless you.